being real with you. You see, the truth is, everybody wanna know how close me and Snoop is, and who I'm still cool with. Then I got these fake ass niggas I first flew with, claiming they non-violent, fucking like they spit venom and interviews, speaking on the union. Move units, then talk shit, we can do this. Till then, I ain't even speaking with men. Just keep my name out of your mouth and we can keep it sustained, nigga. It ain't that I'm too big to listen to the rumors, except that I'm too damn big to pay attention to them. Now you different. What's the difference between me and you? You talking so hard, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel, but never care with emotion. I'm used to living big dog style with straight culture. What's the difference between me and you? You talking so hard, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel, but never care with emotion. I'm used to living big dog style with straight culture.
Yo, I stay with it while you try to perpetrate, play with it. Never knew about the next level until Dre did it. I stay committed while you motherfuckers babysit it. I smash the critics like an overhand right from Riddick. Come and get it, shitted on villains by the millions. I be catching bitches while bitches be catching feelings. So what the fuck am I supposed to do? I pop bottles and hot hollow points at each and all of you. Come on, Harley Basket, I am plastic. My style is like a reaction from too much action. Never go down, pass it around, you can't handle it. Ain't Hollywood niggas by they song trade laminates. What's the difference between me and you? About 5 bank accounts, 3 ounces and 2 vehicles. Until my death, I'm Bangladesh. I suggest you hold your breath till ain't nothing left. You'll have to do.
What's the difference between me and you? You talking so hard, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel, but never care with emotion. I'm used to living big dog style, straight culture. What's the difference between me and you? You talking so hard, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel, but never care with emotion. I'm used to living big dog style.
Hold up, stop the beat a minute. I got something to say. Dre, I want to tell you this shit right now, but fucking read it in me. I don't know if I ever told you this, but I love you, dog. I got your motherfucking back. You know this shit.
Slim, I don't know if you noticed this, but I've had your back from day one, nigga. Let's blow this bitch.
I mean it, dog. You ever need somebody, dog? Who's throwing this bitch?
Well, if you ever kill that Kim bitch, I'll show you where the ocean is.
Well, that's cool, and I appreciate your offer. But if I do decide to really murder my daughter's mama, I'ma sit her over in the front seat and put sunglasses on her. Cruise around here for 7 hours to California and have her waving at people. I can drive her off on the corner at the police station and drive off honking the horn. Raw dog, get your raw dog.
Oh shit, still alive.